And I've been following a bunch of IPOs. I keep an IPO list going for the last 2 years, and I've been scanning this because these IPOs just, especially when they move out, they don't have resistance and they just freaking go.
How do you find a list of IPOs, if you don't mind me asking?
Go to iposcoop.com, and what it does, it gives you 20, like here's all the pricings in 2020. Right?
Okay, yeah.
And then what you do is you can download, I just cut and paste them.
Okay.
And then I go by the symbols. So it keeps all these symbols, and then you can see the offer, like you can see the date. And then you can go back. So what I do is I just keep updating that each week. Like for example, there's only 3. There's like 3 this week. Yeah, once you have the list, initially the list is a pain in the ass to get, and then like once every 2 weeks, I'll just look on, like I haven't added it for the last week or so, but I'll just look and I'll just add these to my watch list.
Do you have any certain rules of you don't trade, if even if it's brand new, like the API?
Right.
Do you have any rules where you don't trade too early?
I won't do those. Like I'll wait for a weekly base.
Okay.
That's kind of what I look for. That's how I found Fetch, because that was a needle in a haystack. But I only ever have like 60 to 80 of these. Like if you let's look at this. You can do like the last 100 IPOs. That's how I got started with it the last 12 months. So you have like these are from this year, and then if I look back at the last 100,